Hi everybody, my name is Vish. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about YouTube growth. Today we have an interesting topic, how to start a YouTube channel in 2026. Before that, Happy New Year everyone. May all your dream come true. Now let's get started. Don't skip this video if you are a beginner. Don't skip this video. This video is very short and sweet. Amazing video. Now let's get started. Yes, before you start a YouTube channel, understand why you should start a YouTube channel. What is your purpose? How you will bring the best videos from your end. Check your competitor videos. Try to understand the title, descriptions, how they are using. It's very important because title, description is very important. I always recommend pick a great niche, work on it, bring the best videos from your end and create a great thumbnail, great title, description, tags and post the videos. And remember, if you are a beginner or even you have a YouTube channel, always try to schedule your videos. It is good way of posting your videos. YouTube will understand what kind of videos you are posting. So it's better try to schedule your videos. And there are lots of free tools available. Make use of it. You can use ChatGPT. You can generate the scripts. You can create great description, title, tags. Also very interesting, you can also generate a thumbnail using ChatGPT. How you required, give a great prompt, you'll get how you required, like that. Nowadays it is super easy to start a YouTube channel. Don't think about anything, just start. Try to make 2 minutes video, 3 minutes video, 4 minutes video. I highly recommend make 4 to 5 minutes of videos. If you are a beginner, you will get more confidence. You will understand how YouTube works, because when you make video for long duration, if the views is very less, you won't feel good. So it's better make it very short video and try to do like series wise or part 1 part 2, like that. And very important, don't think about views. Even if you get less views, keep going, because YouTube will slowly pick your topics and it will push your videos to the required audience. No need to worry, just keep posting your videos. Make sure you bring the best videos from your end. It's 2026, it's highly recommend. Start making videos, understand your audience, bring the best videos, whatever. It could be anything, it could be related to fitness, it could be related to education, comedy, and it will take some time. So YouTube is very wonderful platform. It's free of cost, so make use of it. And if you have any questions, always you can comment in the comment box, and I'll be back with the next video. Stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.